everyone, it's Angela. Today we are going to create a roofing quiz funnel using LanderLab. And as you can see, I have already prepared something on my landing page. So let's go ahead and add the quiz element into our page now. And let's create it from scratch together. First things first, I would like to ask them about their zip code. So I am going to update the headline here, as you can see, and I'm going here to add a new block and search for zip. Select this, and there we have it. Here they will be able to enter their zip code. Okay, let's update the placeholder as well, and we can select a country here from this list. I'm going to leave it US for now, and let's continue to our next step and ask how old is your roof. Go here and search for multiple choice and add our options. Let's say 10 to 15 years old, maybe 20 to 25 years old, and let's add an option of not sure. Okay, let's move this label here, and if we go to settings, we can turn this toggle on, and this will allow them to select multiple choices here, but we don't need that for the moment, so I will leave this off. If we go to navigation, we can choose what happens after they click, let's say 10 to 15 years old, and we can make them go to a next step, go to a step, a conditional logic, etc. If we select to go to step, maybe once they select 10 years, they can go to another step, but we are not going to do that today. So for now, I will leave it, go to next step and turn this toggle on. Go to validations and make this a required field. And if we go here to appearance, we can choose how our layout will be like. I'm going to leave it like this. And you can choose a style as well here. Okay, I'm going to remove this button as we don't need it anymore because, as I said, once they select this, they will be automatically redirected to the next step. Next up, I want to ask what is your name? Go here, select this predefined here, and simply choose first name and last name. Okay, we don't really need to do anything else here. Add a new step and make the headline what is the best email and phone number to reach out to you. Add a new block, search for email and search for phone number. And as you can see, you can, if you enable this, you will enable the email verification option. Same for phone verification if you enable it here. Let's go here again and update this placeholder as email here. Going to delete this continue button because we now need a submit button for this. And you can choose an animation from the list here. And if you head here to navigation, you can choose what happens after they click submit. You can go to a next step, go to step, custom URL, or simply close the pop-up or just do nothing. And I'm going to choose next step here. as I would like to add a headline that says, "We will contact you soon." Add the block and a loader to hit this button. As you can see here, and let's update this. Wait for LanderLab to save, and let's run a test together. This is your zip code. How old is your roof? And there we go. And as you can see, it was very easy to create this roofing quiz funnel using LanderLab. And I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.